So, IoT, Internet of Things. For me, that's the art of the possible. And where everything is connected. So it's about real-time intelligence. It's about NLP, also about computer vision, and predicting the future. And here are the nominees.
The nominees are It's Amsterdam from the Netherlands, 3K Technology from India, CTC AIGP from Japan, Digiterra from Turkey, ECS from China, Hacknadians from Canada, LivNSense from India, Macrovention from Malaysia, Nanyang Polytech from Singapore, Nupeak Neurons from India, the Red Hot Chili Steppers from Canada, and the Grain from Belgium.
The team did a great job. The use case targets many industries that utilize high energy assets like kilns and furnaces. It presents tremendous opportunities to reduce overall costs and environmental impact. The business case and market analysis were thorough, the business obvious and wide-ranging, and the technology a beautiful blend of applied science, IoT, and SAS analytics. This is a strong proposal, and we look forward to seeing what comes next.
It's time for the IoT award, and from India, let's congratulate LivNSense! Yay!